Hi everyone, it's Ruputani here from FoneArena.com, and we're at the IFA Berlin conference at the Acer booth, where we're taking a look at the brand new Spin 5 laptops. Well, to be specific, these are convertible machines. We've got the 13-inch and the 15-inch version with us, and as you can see, the 13-inch version is already in its convertible, in its touch-oriented or tablet form factor. They have sturdy hinges on both the models. These are still budget devices from Acer, starting at a price point of $799. In fact, these are some of the most entry-level laptops available from Acer. But the build quality is not bad at all. This is still plastic, which you can't really expect much more than that at this price point. The specifications though are quite decent. These are running the latest 8th generation chipsets from Intel. You have a possibility to upgrade from the i5 to the i7 model as well, up to 16 GB of RAM, and there are a lot of storage configurations in between. The 15-inch model in particular gets a dedicated NVIDIA GPU. It can be configured with a GTX 1050 chipset, GPU chipset, which should allow you to do a bit of gaming as well on these machines, and that's not bad at all for what is a pretty affordable machine. There is a very peculiarly placed fingerprint scanner on this machine, which is built right into the touchpad. The touchpad response is not bad. These models also come with something which is quite interesting. They're equipped with far-field microphones. What this basically means is that you can use a voice assistant like Cortana, and if you're using it with voice activation, you can use it from across the room instead of having to get straight up to your laptop. Beyond that, there's up to 13 hours of battery life as well as Dolby audio support, which has become fairly standard across laptops in this kind of price range these days. So if you look at the keyboard area, we mentioned one of the key features here is the front-facing speaker. This is arranged in an array above the keyboard itself. In the 15-inch model, you even got a numeric keypad on the side, which is quite interesting to see. The laptop does support Dolby audio, and the trackpad is off-center, surrounded by a chamfered edge. Somewhat different and something that you don't really see all that often. There's a fingerprint scanner which stands towards the left of the touchpad itself, and it's built into the touchpad area. It doesn't look all that great, and we haven't really been able to test it out, so we can't really say whether this is a very fast fingerprint scanner or not. Now, coming to the display itself, this is a full HD screen. We're not too sure if there are other configurations available. Now, in the tablet mode, this supports, this is a touch screen, of course, and something that really stands out are the huge bezels on all sides. Now, we understand that you need bezels to maybe put your thumb somewhere, but these are absolutely massive, both at the top, bottom, and on the sides as well, and it makes a big machine feel that much bigger. We're not too sure how many of you will be using the 15-inch machine in the tablet configuration. It's not all that comfortable. It is a heavy machine. So yeah, you're probably still going to use this like a laptop. So that was a quick hands-on with Acer Spin 5 in the 13 and the 15-inch configuration. Decent devices with pretty good specifications, starting at a price point of $799 and hopefully making their way to India sometime in the future. This is Dhruv and Siraj from FoneArena.com. Thanks for watching.